Hey guys, I'm John Yu.
And I'm Sippy, and welcome to Sip Studies. Today we dive into the world of Cabernet Franc, from grape to glass, from medieval monasteries to modern vineyards. We'll explore where it grows best, how it's made, and why this parent of Cabernet Sauvignon deserves more time in your glass. Whether you're prepping for your sommelier exam or just getting started on your wine journey, we've got layers to peel back. Let's get into it.
So that way studying is more consistent. We're going to cover the grape, we're going to cover the regions that it grows in, the history, the terroir, the styles, and the terminology, so that way you have a pretty standard template to go off of.
Cabernet Franc is a key player in the wine world and one of the parent grapes of Cabernet Sauvignon. It's widely grown in regions like the Loire Valley, Bordeaux, and even parts of North and South America. Historically, it's one of the oldest cultivated grape varieties, with roots tracing back to the Basque country in France. Cabernet Franc flourishes in cooler climates and limestone-rich soils, producing wines that are more herbaceous and aromatic. Winemakers often craft it as a single varietal or blend it with Merlot and Cabernet Sauvignon to add complexity and elegance. Flavor-wise, it's known for red fruit notes like raspberry and strawberry, along with hints of bell pepper, tobacco, and violets. You might hear terms like pyrazines, which are compounds that give it that distinct green leafy character.
Well, that sums it up. We're here as your study aid. We're here to help people drink better, from good clean water to artisanal flavors. And by doing so, we can connect, support, and archive beverage data and technology. We want to be able to build the technology to help everybody drink better. We have so much territory to cover, so thank you guys for watching and staying tuned to AI Winecast by Sip Studies. Again, we're going to be covering wine, beer, and spirits, coffee, tea, kombucha. We're going to go through guild studies, we're going to go through beverage technology and the community and charities that we're supporting, as well as the travel and adventures that we're going on. So a lot of territory to cover, and we want you there with us. Thanks again, and we'll see you for the next episode.